children, welcome to the video session of Standard 4 Computer Science. Let us learn editing in MS Office Picture Manager in this video session. Come, let's enter into the video session.
Editing in MS Office Picture Manager. The images can be edited in Picture Manager by using the options found under Picture menu. Let us now discuss some of them in detail. Brightness and contrast. This option is used to adjust the light and dark tones of the image. To adjust the brightness and contrast, click on Picture, Brightness and Contrast. The brightness and contrast options will appear in the task pane. Click on Auto Brightness button to automatically adjust the brightness of the image. Adjust the slide bars of brightness, contrast and midtones to manually change the brightness and contrast of the image. Next one is color. Color option is used to adjust the color of the image that appears tinted or dull. To adjust the color, click on Picture, Color. The color adjustment options will open in the task pane. Adjust the slide bars or directly enter the color in terms of percentage level in the list boxes of amount, hue and saturation. Now the color of the picture will change as per the adjustments made. Next one is crop. This option is used to select only the required part of the image and the remaining part of the image will be deleted. To crop the image, click on Picture, Crop. The crop options will appear in the task pane. Cropping can be done in two different ways: crop settings, crop handles. First one is crop settings. To crop the image, select the ratio from the aspect ratio drop-down list box and select the format, either landscape or portrait. The crop handles of the picture will get adjusted as per the selected ratio and format. Then click on OK to crop the required portion of the image. Crop handles. To crop picture using crop handles, select the cropping pixel range in the list boxes of left, right, top and bottom. The crop handles will automatically get adjusted to the cropping pixels range selected. Click on OK. The picture gets cropped. To crop further, use the mouse to adjust the crop handles of the picture. After adjusting, click on OK. To crop further, use the mouse to adjust the crop handles of the picture. After adjusting, click on OK. The picture gets cropped. Rotate and flip. Rotate option is used to rotate the image. To rotate the image, click on Picture, Rotate and Flip. The rotate and flip options will appear in the task pane. Next one is rotate left. Rotates the image towards left by 90 degree. Rotate right. Rotates the image towards right by 90 degree. By degree. Rotates the image based on the degree given by the user. Next one is flip. Flip option is used to get the mirror effect of the selected image. Flip horizontal. This option when selected will give the horizontal mirror effect of the image. Flip vertical. This option when selected will give the vertical mirror effect of the image. Resize. Resize option is used to enlarge or reduce the size of the image. To resize, click on Picture, Resize. The resize options will appear in the task pane. The three resizing options are predefined width into height. The user can choose a size from the drop-down list to reduce or enlarge the picture. Next one is custom width into height. This option shows the original width and height of the image. The user can change the size with the help of arrow buttons of list box. Next one is percentage of original width into height. This option will display the original size of the image in percentage format. The user can increase or decrease the percentage level by using arrow buttons of list box. After adjusting the size, click on OK.